A flat tire can turn a perfect trip into a stressful roadside nightmare in seconds, but the right repair kit can get you moving again before help even arrives. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're revealing the top 7 emergency tire repair kits for every vehicle that every driver should know about. Stay with us to discover reliable, time-saving solutions, and if one fits your needs, you'll find all the product links waiting in the description. A tiny nail can end a road trip faster than an empty fuel tank, yet most punctures can be fixed in minutes with the right gear. That's exactly where the CK Auto Tire Plug Repair Kit stands out. Built with an impressive 80-piece value pack, it equips drivers with heavy-duty tools for handling unexpected tire punctures on cars, motorcycles, trucks, RVs, and more. Many buyers worry about weak repair tools that bend under pressure or incomplete kits that leave them stranded. This kit tackles those concerns with durable components and a wide range of repair essentials packed together. Compared with compact tire plug kits that include only the basics, CK Auto offers greater versatility for frequent travelers and off-road enthusiasts. The trade-off is that beginners may need a little practice before using it effectively. If you travel long distances, enjoy overlanding, or simply want a dependable emergency backup, this could be the best tire plug repair kit for your needs. Sometimes peace of mind arrives in a small case before trouble ever does. A tiny nail can leave a fully loaded vehicle stranded miles from help, turning an ordinary drive into an unforgettable headache. That's why preparation matters. The Awtown Flat Tire Repair Kit with Air Compressor 54 pieces combines a complete tire repair set with a built-in compressor, giving you a practical roadside solution in one compact package. If you're searching for the best tire plug repair kit, this setup stands out by handling both puncture repairs and tire inflation without requiring extra equipment. The tools feel durable, the plugs seal effectively, and the organized case keeps every piece easy to access during stressful moments. Compared with a basic tire plug kit that lacks an air compressor, this package saves time and reduces hassle after the repair. The compressor isn't the fastest for larger truck tires, but it performs reliably for emergency use. It's an excellent choice for drivers, off-road explorers, motorcycle riders, and families who value preparedness. Sometimes, the smallest repair kit protects the biggest adventures from ending too soon. A tiny nail can leave a fully loaded truck stranded faster than most drivers ever expect. That's exactly why a dependable repair kit matters when every mile counts. The ARB 100000011 Speedy Seal 2 is built for people who refuse to let a puncture ruin the journey. Inside, you get durable repair tools, 50 heavy-duty string plugs, and a rugged storage case designed for repeated roadside use. Many drivers worry about cheap kits with weak handles or plugs that fail under pressure. This kit tackles those concerns with professional-grade construction that feels ready for demanding conditions. Whether you're driving a Jeep, RV, ATV, tractor, trailer, or daily commuter, it offers reassuring reliability. Compared with many budget tire repair kits, ARB focuses more on durability than keeping costs low. The higher price may not suit occasional drivers, but frequent travelers and off-road enthusiasts will appreciate the long-term value. If you're searching for the best tire plug repair kit for serious adventures instead of emergency luck, this one deserves your attention. Sometimes the smallest toolbox earns the biggest gratitude when the road refuses to cooperate. A flat tire rarely waits for a convenient moment, and that's exactly why preparation beats luck every single time. The KT340 Tire Repair Kit Passenger, made in the USA, is designed for drivers who want a dependable solution before roadside stress takes over. Instead of struggling with flimsy plugs or unreliable tools, this kit delivers durable repair components built for passenger vehicles. If you're searching for the best flat tire repair kit, its American-made quality and organized layout make roadside fixes feel far less overwhelming. Every tool has a purpose, helping you seal punctures quickly and get moving again. Compared with many budget repair kits, the KT340 focuses more on long-lasting materials than stuffing the case with unnecessary extras. The trade-off is that it isn't intended for larger truck tires, so heavy-duty users may need a different option. Daily commuters, families, and road trip enthusiasts will appreciate its reliability the most. When unexpected trouble strikes, having the right repair kit can turn a frustrating delay into a brief stop before the journey continues. A flat tire never asks for permission, it steals your time when you least expect it. That's exactly why this flat tire repair kit with air compressor earns attention from prepared drivers. Most roadside kits force you to carry separate tools. Here, the heavy-duty tire plug kit pairs with a powerful 150 psi portable air compressor, giving you everything in one organized package. The auto-stop feature prevents overinflation, while the built-in LED light keeps repairs possible after dark. If you're searching for the best flat tire repair kit, convenience matters just as much as durability. Compared with a basic plug-only kit, this setup eliminates the extra hunt for an air pump, making roadside fixes faster and far less stressful. It's an excellent choice for commuters, SUV owners, truck drivers, Jeep enthusiasts, motorcyclists, and anyone who enjoys road trips. The only drawback is that the complete kit is slightly bulkier than minimalist repair sets. Still, the added capability easily justifies the space. When unexpected trouble appears, being fully equipped transforms frustration into a quick return to the road. A tiny nail can turn a perfect road trip into hours of frustration, but being prepared changes everything. The Rhino USA Tire Repair Kit, 86-piece, is built for drivers who refuse to let a flat tire ruin their plans. Many people buy a basic flat tire repair kit only to discover missing tools or weak plugs when they need them most. That's where this professional-grade set stands apart. With durable insertion tools, heavy-duty tire plugs, patches, valve accessories, and organized storage, it tackles tubeless tire repairs on cars, motorcycles, ATVs, UTVs, RVs, and trailers with impressive ease. Compared with smaller tire plug kits, Rhino USA offers a more complete solution for roadside emergencies and long-distance travel. The trade-off is a slightly larger case and a higher upfront cost, but the extra equipment easily justifies the investment. If you travel often, enjoy off-road adventures, tow trailers, or simply want a dependable flat tire repair kit in your vehicle, this kit deserves serious attention. Sometimes the greatest travel companion isn't another passenger, it's the tool that quietly gets you moving again. Imagine turning a roadside disaster into a 5-minute recovery. That's exactly the feeling the Everlit all-in-one tire repair kit delivers. A flat tire usually means stress, wasted time, and expensive towing. This kit changes that with a cordless 150 psi air compressor and a complete tire plug system packed into one portable solution. If you're searching for the best flat tire repair kit, having inflation and repair together makes a real difference when every minute matters. Setup is simple, even for first-time users. The cordless design adds freedom, while the organized case keeps every tool within reach. Compared with basic tire plug kits that only patch punctures, Everlit helps you repair and refill without hunting for another inflator. The trade-off is a slightly bulkier package, but that extra size brings far greater versatility. It's an excellent choice for commuters, families, off-road travelers, and motorcycle riders who value preparation over panic. When unexpected trouble appears, being ready feels far better than wishing you had planned ahead.